Hello everybody, this is Moses from Zaatargardens. This is episode 5 in Gardening Without Edits. And today I'm going to be talking about something pretty cool I've been waiting for in my bacon avocado. I want to share with all of you what I saw today and thankfully what I've noticed. So let's talk about that right now. And of course, there was like 2 squirrels in the trees. She's always in the corner. So when I go to my bacon avocado, compared to the Mexicola that I've grown and Zutano, the bacon takes the heat the best. What you see here, this residue is IV organic to help with the sunburn and reflect a lot of heat. But for the longest time, this bacon avocado right here that was planted in the springtime, notice everything's painted, that was planted in the springtime this year, didn't do that bad, really. I didn't need that much covering. You see, I still have the bamboo sticks here where I put tarp on it when it was like 105 and above. I don't want to ask for it. If I can help it, I will. But other than that, this took summer a lot better than Mexicola and Zutano. But it was on a standstill for the longest time. You can see the new leaves that came out after summer. This is the summer leaves. Those are the new leaves. But that's all the growth it had since, I would say, end of August. This came out, beginning of September. And I've been waiting. Right now, it's the first week of December. And I just been waiting and waiting. And finally, we got the big push that this thing still wants to grow. So I'm really happy about that. Once again, I just am amazed that this variety just took the summer like a champ. Mexicola and Zutano have a hard time with the summer, and they are really good with the winter here in Central California, Zone 9B. But I'd rather have a plant that could take the summer heat than the winter. This can do well in the winter. I have neighbors that have big trees of this variety, but I'm really glad this did well. So if you're thinking about planting a avocado, I would suggest bacon. It is not the best tasting avocado, but it is, as far as the 3, the toughest one I've grown. Happy gardening.